Who Likes Rice? By Dr. Sara Northern. Hi, friend.
We are mice.
It is lunchtime. We like to eat rice. We like white rice, sweet rice, spicy rice, brown rice, soft rice, fried rice,
Short rice. Long rice.
rice in a cup, rice on a plate, rice in a bowl, okay, mice, come eat your rice before it gets cold. We like rice that is hot and rice that is cold. We like rice that is new and rice that is old. Rice, rice, rice. Rice, 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 rice. Okay, you like rice. What is her problem? I do not know. Let us eat our rice and go.